Hello students, I am Bindi Desai from Saraswat International Academy. And dear students, we will be learning Environment Studies of Standard 5th English Medium. Chapter 4, Mangoes Round the Year. Part 4. Dear students, in part 3 we have completed our chapter and we wrote drill words and fill in the blanks and MCQ. In part 4, dear students, we will be discussing question answers, true or false, and match the column. So make sure students you all write this in your notebook and study. Let's start. Write true or false. Foods are preserved so that we can enjoy them throughout the year. The answer for this is true. Yes, for example, we can say pickles and papad. Second one, different kinds of foods, items spoil due to different reasons. The answer is true. The spoiling may be different reasons like the temperature of the food, like the season. There are many reasons to spoil the food. Third one, it is not useful to read and note the information given on the packets of the food. The answer for this is false. Students, see, we learned about the manufacturing date and the expiry date which is written on all the medicines, all the food items. So, it is our duty and it is useful to us to read all the information which is given on the packets of the foods. So the answer for this is false. Next one, a bread which has developed mold or fungus can be consumed. The answer is false. It is unhealthy. The bread which is having fungus that we cannot eat. There may be chances of food poisoning if we eat that fungus bread. Next one, match the columns. Food items and the method. What is the method? We can preserve it. Milk. What we have to do? We can boil it and keep in refrigerator. Students, if the milk is spoiled, so we can make paneer also from that, is it? But to preserve milk and keep it proper, we have to boil it properly. Next one, cooked rice. Raw rice, we all know that we can not eat raw. We eat khichdi, we eat biryani in the form of cooked rice. We have to boil it in the water, is it? So, put it in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water. Green coriander. We all know that we make chutneys of this green coriander by adding salt and green chili, is it? It is very tasty and can be kept fresh in refrigerator. So, green coriander can be wrapped in a damp cloth and kept so that it can be preserved fresh. Next one, onion and garlic. If we keep this in a wet place, गीली जगह पे रखेंगे तो ऑब्वियस है वो क्या होगा, बिगड़ जाएगा, सड़ जाएगा, रॉट हो जाएगा. So it is kept in a dry place. Answer the following questions. First one, what can we know from what is written on the packet? Any packet, for example, Balaji wafer, students, we can say Maggi, we can say, is it? All the स्क्वैश जो हम लोग के मॉल्स में मिलते हैं, इज इट सुपर स्टोर्स में हम लोग को ऑल द मॉल्स सुपर स्टोर वी गेट ऑल द डिफरेंट फूड पैकेट. स्टूडेंट्स, ब्रेड आइटम हो, बिस्किट्स हो, एनी ऑफ द फूड पैकेट, व्हाट शुड वी सी? फर्स्ट इज़ द प्राइस, कितना अमाउंट का है वो चीज़. सेकेंड इज़ वेट, 1 kg, 500 ग्राम, 250 ग्राम, इज इट 250 ग्राम हम लोग बोलते हैं, 1 किलो बोलते हैं, एक्सेट्रा. सो we have to see the weight of the commodity. Next is date of manufacturing, कि कब वो item cheese food packet बनी है. So the date of the manufacturing and the expiry. एंड व्हेन इट इज़ गोइंग टू गेट एक्सपायर, मतलब कहाँ तक वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बेस्ट बिफोर. एंड द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स इंग्रेडिएंट्स मीन्स उसमें कौन सी चीज़ें यूज़ की है बनाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन, from where did the fungus come on the bread? We did an experiment in the textbook, is it? That we sprinkled water on the bread and kept in a box for few days. वो फंगस कहाँ से आया था? How did the bread get rot? Let's see the answer. These changes occur due to the rotting of bread. The spores of the fungus are present in the air. मतलब in the atmosphere we can say the spores of the fungus. Where are they present? In the atmosphere or air. When they get a moist surface and food, they start growing. Different kinds of food items spoil due to different reasons. Some food spoil soon, some stays good for long. List some reasons, seasons and conditions in which the food spoils quickly. Students, in this we made Mamidi Tandra. Is it? We saw how it is made. It is generally made in which season? Summer, because of the heat, more heat, sunlight. And not in rainy season. Why? Yes, because rain falls, waterlogged everywhere. So it is not possible. So students, there are certain food items which spoil very fast. And there are certain food items which we can keep for 2 or 3 days. और जो सूखा नाश्ता हम लोग बोल सकते हैं which we eat daily, we can keep in a container and use for at least 10 to 12 days. So let's see the answer. The food spoils quickly in summer and rainy season. Conditions in which the food spoils quickly. If foods which is cooked is kept in open, yes. Students, we should always eat the food which is covered food. जो अगर covered food नहीं रहता है, then we are not supposed to eat it. Is it? अगर food खुला रहेगा, it is harmful to our health also, students. Or there are many chances of spoilage if the food is opened. Cooked food I am talking about. Next one, if milk is not boiled properly. Third one, if green vegetables are kept in hot and humid places. Obviously hot weather रहेगा तो वो सूख जाएगा, बिगड़ जाएगा, is it? So we should avoid keeping the vegetables in hot and humid places. Next, if pickles are not protected against moisture, students, oil is added to the maximum. Why? So that oil act as a preservatives in the pickle, so the microbes cannot grow. Next one, what things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? We have discussed in the textbook also, is it? So in my house, pickles and chutneys, in the chutneys we can add onion also. It tastes very yummy. Are made from unripe mangoes. And also the kacha aam, the amchur we can say, they are made up of unripe mangoes. Aam papad is made from ripe mangoes. Mango shake is also made from ripe mangoes. And also mango ice cream and kulfi. Next one, make a list of all types of pickles that you know about. Students, pickle, achar, which are available in the stores also, in the shops also, in various containers, in the glass container, right, jar, in the plastic jar, जो हम लोग pouch बोलते हैं, sachet, in the pouch also we get the pickles, is it? So there are many different jars to keep the pickles. The companies makes different varieties of pickles, and not only the companies but at our home also pickles are made. Different pickles are made up of mango, amla which we call gooseberry, chili, jackfruit, carrot, radish, potato, etc. Next one, glass jars. Our bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles? The answer for this is glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun to remove any moisture and make the jar moisture free. Students, in a jar if it is wet, gila rahega, so there may be the chances of growing microbes, and when it is kept in a sun, what will happen? It will get dry, is it? So all the jars should be kept in drying for sunlight for few times so that it can become moisture free. The content of water will not be there. Next one. Why did Appa first chose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the Mamidi Tandra? Students, Mamidi Tandra, we all know, we call it Aam Papad, is it? And this is made specially in the summer season. And it is a sweet dish, we can say. Let's see the answer. Ripe mango contains more juice and less fibers. And we all know we can use that muslin cloth also, is it? To make the amras. Hence, Appa first chose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making Mamidi Tandra. Next, how are these things made in your home? Papad, we learn, is it? From the urad dal we can make this papad. We can roast it also and we can fry it also. जो हम लोग basically hotels में मंगाते हैं मसाला पापड़, is it? How it is decorated with onions, with the save and with the tomatoes. That is our masala papad, is it, students? Now how we make the papad at our home? We get available in the markets also, is it? Second is chutney. As I told you, we can make green chutney, we can make khajur chutney, which is made up of dates, is it? Then we eat chutneys with pani puri also. Red chutney, orange chutney of garlic, is it? Let's see the answer. Badyan, third one. The first one is papad. Students, papad is made from different kinds of lentils. Just as I told you, moong dal and urad dal. These are the ingredients by which papad can be made. Let's see what to do. And also from the potatoes. Potatoes मतलब जो students हम लोग wafers खाते हैं, is it? साबुदाना की वेफर और पोटैटो की वेफर. The mother dries the potatoes, is it? On the terrace, especially during the summer season. For example, urad papad is made by grinding the urad dal and making it with salt and other spices. Spices are being added so that the taste is good of the papad with the salt. A dough is made. Then thin papad is rolled out from the dough. So the dough is made of what? The dough is made up of urad dal and moong dal. And what is added? Some spices and salt, and a dough is made. जो हम लोग लोट बोलते हैं, is it? Thin papad is rolled, मतलब गोल गोल रोटी की तरह उसको बनाते हैं, and this is left in the sun for drying. So our papad is ready. Next one is chutney. Chutney is made from many things, but chutney of dhania, that is green coriander, and mirchi, that is green chili, is very popular. Salt is added as per the taste. It can be kept and preserved by adding oil in it. Again, oil acts as a preservative. याद है ना, sugar and jaggery कैसे act करता है as a preservative so that the microbes cannot grow. Badyan. Now this badyan is made from urad dal. Urad grains are soaked overnight in water and then ground into coarse paste. उरद दाल इज़ अ लेंटिल. उसको क्या करते हैं, अगले दिन उसको सुखाया पानी में सोर किया जाता है, सोक. Salt and other spices are added as per the taste. The small lumps are made on the cloth and left to dry in the sun. So small lumps मतलब गोल गोल जैसे बनाए जाते हैं और उसको सुखाया जाता है सन में. So the main ingredient for the badyan is urad dal, which is a lentil, and these are soaked in the water before overnight. Next one, list some food items which we make different things so that we can enjoy it throughout the year. Following are the examples of the food items which we can enjoy throughout the year. A. Pickles are made from many things. B. Many vegetables like green chili, ginger are such dried for later use. Students, ginger को भी सुखाया जाता है, is it? So that we can use it in tea also and other purpose also. Then we have green chili. जो green chili रहती है वो red color का convert हो जाता है, is it? So that we can use that red chili also, is it? These are sun dried for later use. Third one, just as I told you, potato chips and sabudana chips are also made so that they can stay longer. Next is murabba is prepared from white gourd and आंवला जो एकदम टेस्टी होता है स्टूडेंट्स, इज इट इज़ स्वीट इन टेस्ट. मुरब्बा जो छुंदा भी बोलते हैं वो कौन सा टेस्ट रहता है? इट इज़ स्वीट इन टेस्ट एंड इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? व्हाइट गोर्ड एंड आंवला. पेडा इज मेड फ्रॉम मिल्क एंड ऑल्सो प्रिजर्व्ड. नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ डिड द ब्रदर्स मेक द मामिदी तंद्र? Write down step by step what they did for this. Answer, the brothers bought the following things from the market. When we read this answer, we have to see the scenario of the textbook, is it? How they were playing on the trees, mango trees in the summer vacation. After that, they decided to make the Mamidi Tandra with the parents, is it? The father told that you also have to help to the brothers. Then they went to the market, they brought so many things with them. They started making it with the parents, is it? And lastly, after 4 weeks, it took 4 weeks to make the sweet dish. Let's see. The brothers bought the following things from the market. Mat, जिसके ऊपर वो सुखाया जाता है. From the palm leaves. Casuarina poles, that is the poles we can say. A mat can be kept on this. String made up of coconut husk, jaggery and sugar. So they made a platform from the casuarina poles and mat. So यहाँ पे दोनों casuarina tree के poles बना दिए and a mat was kept on this which was made up of what? Palm leaves. Then mango juice was taken out and filtered through a fine muslin cloth. हम लोग ने टेक्स्ट बुक में कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ किया है? मसलिन क्लोथ. To remove the fibers. This is a pole which we made, is it? Then a thin layer of juice was spread on the mat and left to dry. देखो एक पोल के साथ दो एक मैट लगाया. After that mango juice was spreaded on the mat and left it to dry. Sunlight में उसको क्या किया? ड्राई करने के लिए रखा वो जूस को. In the evening, the layer was covered with a sari to prevent dust from getting it. So poles पे जो mat था उसके ऊपर what was spreaded? Mango juice was spreaded. But in the evening, what happened? They covered a sari on this so that the dust cannot come in this. Every day, layer upon layer was added. So once in a mat, a layer was spreaded. So daily basis what they did? They daily spreaded the same base. Daily they removed the mango juice and one by one they added the layer daily up to 4 weeks. And after about 4 weeks, a thin golden cake of Mamidi Tandra could be made. So about how many? 4 weeks they made it, is it? And it was like a golden cake. Why golden cake? Because the color was of the yellowish color and shining in the sunlight. Make sure, dear students, you write all the answers and make sure you learn it also. A very easy chapter, students. Read the drill words and also the textbook. Thank you, dear students.